And yes, I'm back, and today we're talking about skincare and, you know, makeup, beauty related products. And if you're interested, stay tuned. As always, I just give you my honest and authentic opinion, no matter how I got the product, whether it was sent to me or gifted or if I bought it. I'm still authentic and honest, and all the links for anything that I recommend are always down below and on my blog. Don't forget to press the like, comment, share buttons, because that really helps my channel become visible. And yes, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into it. It's mostly things that I got from Trend Mood. I've really been liking Trend Mood because it's allowing me to try like a mix of like products that I'm interested in that are also trending, and also makes me discover things that I would normally not gravitate towards. So I feel like it's a good bargain if you are if you plan that into your budget. I think it's a good way to go if you're a blogger and you're having a hard time keeping up. This has been helping me a lot. So without further ado, everything here is mostly Trend Mood, and yes, let's get started. Voilà, salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien, et aujourd'hui je vous ramène une vidéo de la compagnie qui s'appelle Trend Mood. La compagnie Trend Mood, c'est une femme qui a commencé comme moi. Elle faisait des revues sur je sais quoi, les produits de maquillage, beauté, et au jour d'aujourd'hui elle a ses petits box qu'elle fait de temps en temps. Je pense que chaque mois elle sort des box avec des variétés de produits qui sont à la mode, et ça vous permet de payer autant de produits, donc 5 à 6 produits à un prix abordable, surtout si vous êtes débutante et que votre budget est un peu serré. Ça vous permet vraiment de rester à jour en ce qui concerne les blogueuses et tout comme ça, parce que c'est aussi très cher, et quand on n'a pas des revenus qui viennent, donc quand vous n'êtes pas payé comme les autres blogueuses, c'est difficile de rester à jour, de racheter parce que les produits coûtent très cher. Et j'ai trouvé que au moins avec son box de beauté là, ça me permet d'avoir des produits qui m'intéressent, qui peuvent aussi attirer les vues, et sans toutefois m'endetter, quoi, tu vois. Donc c'est un peu de ça qu'il s'agit. Il y a tellement de box de beauté là maintenant que deux fois ça ne sert à rien. J'en ai testé autant quand je venais de commencer ma chaîne, et là maintenant je me suis dit, sauf si ça m'intéresse vraiment, les box de beauté là, c'est du blablabla quoi. Donc ça va. Donc voilà, on y va. Comme d'habitude, je vous donne mon opinion authentique et honnête. Donc voilà, tous les liens sous la barre d'infos et sur mon blog. Et n'oubliez pas de partager, liker et commenter, parce que ça permet à ma chaîne d'être un peu plus visible. Donc voilà, merci à tous, et comme d'hab, on y va tout rapidement. So that's the Trend Mood box right here. Okay, you already know how it looks like. I don't want to show my address, but that's Trend Mood, baby. It's purple. I'm going to show it to you guys so you guys can just get into it. So this is the oil that was in there. It's supposed to soothe dryness and even tone, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So this is a good product. My skin is normal to dry and oily in the T-zone, and this couldn't come at a perfect timing. Like, I feel like this is exactly what I need for my normal to dry skin, and my skin is getting more even, but you know, an oil like this will always be good. And then the packaging, and I'm sure if you look at the price for this, you're gonna be like, what a going, like just this alone pays for the whole box and some change probably. I didn't look for the price yet, but when I link everything below, you guys will see. And the packaging is so rich. It's glass, it's like classy, it looks like luxury, it feels so nice. I really like oils that don't feel sticky and oily and shiny on my skin, and then still leaves me hydrated and moisturized as it claims. So this one is actually good, something that I didn't even hear about. I actually thought it was for your hair, but it's really nice, and I haven't used it enough, but just the first time I used it, it was good enough for me to feel like I want to keep using it. And also I didn't break out, so that's a plus for me. So thumbs up for this so far. Any changes, I will keep you guys updated otherwise. Next product is by Pharmacy Beauty. I actually really like this company, although it's a little bit expensive, but because you know, you can find similar things at the drugstore. But it's the Sweet Apple Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I've used their cleansing balms in the past, the one in the green container, and I've talked about it in a prior video. this one was a limited edition and everybody was just talking about it. And I think they also have like a holiday set coming with limited edition scents, and that's like the spatula that comes with it. Guys, nothing innovative, okay? Makeup removers, they're not that, like, they don't do much other than remove your makeup, okay? So this one is a good one. Okay, love the application. It really smells like apple, you know, apple candy, you know, and it does work well. And I like this because it actually does remove my eye makeup, which is what I usually have a hard time with all my makeup removers and my oil-based cleansers. They just don't really take out my eye makeup well, my eyeliner and my waterline eyeliner. So I usually have to go in with the micellar water, but this seems to be pretty darn good and it didn't irritate me, although I wear contacts. So this is pretty good. Do you need it? No, but can you try it when you have to replace your makeup removers, balms or oil-based removers? Yes, of course, they're really, really good. So it's good, but it's not like a wow factor, but it does the job as should be, because you know. Next thing I got, which is not something I'm really interested in, but I'm going to give this away, is the Acne Fighting Putty Primer by e.l.f. with 1.8% salicylic acid. And yeah, it's probably, I think it's a good, you know, it's a good product, but I haven't tried it. I mean, I feel like the claims and the target of this product is good for acne prone skin, but I don't have acne prone skin, so this doesn't serve me any good. But you know, the original e.l.f. putty primer, people really love that, so I assume this is kind of like the same thing. I can quickly open it to show you guys if it's not gonna mess this up. No, it is gonna mess it up, like the original putty primer type of thing, like nothing different here. And I love this container because although it's not as you know, aesthetically pleasing, you can actually use the whole entire thing, so that's kind of cute. You can use like a spatula or whatever, you know. But I'm going to be giving this away because I don't need an acne fighting primer because I don't have acne prone skin, and I'm kind of like stopping using primers unless they're silicone based, or unless they're like unless they're like the Hydro Grip type of, you know, formula, or they like radiance type. So I like radiance, I like the Hydro Grip feel, sometimes I like the silicone feel. So like those are the three types of primers that I go for. Otherwise I don't really use primers anymore at this point. With the way things are improving in the science world, you shouldn't have to if your foundation is claiming to be great and long lasting and waterproof and budge proof and full coverage, and also your skincare routine is pretty comprehensive. I feel like at this point, you know, I think a radiance type of primer is good, like to just like, you know, add that extra glow glass skin maybe, but other than that, not really. All right, next product I know is the most famous e.l.f. you know, Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara with the Hourglass blush. Pretty much reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but bigger. Okay, so cute, love the aesthetics. It's just, I just like the aesthetics. Okay, I really wanted this and I'm like, okay, it comes in the box, and I wanted to try other things in the box. So I was like, I think it's perfect timing because I was going to buy it alone. But guys, that is the brush, just like the hourglass shape on the brush, just like the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Really, really good, guys. Okay, like I have it on today. As you can see, my lashes look pretty good. Okay, it separates your lashes. If your lashes are curly, oh baby, this is fire. Okay, this is actually fire, but caution, okay, it comes out a lot and thick, so I always scrape it off, so you tend to waste a lot of this. But guys, look at my lashes, hunty. You think I have fake lashes on, baby? No. So that's how you know this is actually really, really good. Okay, just caution to pat it off, pat some off, a lot off, and go in. Honey, separates, curls, volumizes, lifts. The claims are actually accurate for a drugstore mascara. Like, I actually like this. This is really good, y'all. e.l.f. Big Mood. And the aesthetics, sign me up, baby. Now I have the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. Now, there was two shades in there. There were two shades in there. I actually wanted the nude one. I thought both came in, but I guess not. I read it wrong. But this one is enriched with jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and vitamin E, which I love. And guys, I feel like lip oils have been trending, and I was like, this is a gimmick. And I got one from CoverGirl, and it was pretty okay. I've been using it. But y'all, this one right here, what shade is this? I don't even know what shade. This is in French, I would say in French, the shade is called Tranquille. And then guys, this is so moisturizing and so perfect, and it's like your lips but better. It just enhances that pink look and makes it look luscious. And guys, I actually really like it. I didn't think I was going to be a fan of lip oils like this, but this, you can apply it and last you like a full day, like a 10-hour day, and you won't have to reapply it again. Love it. Only thing I hate about it is the packaging. As you can see, it gets kind of stuck, and then I feel like the tip is a little too fat right there. It wastes product, so like you can't like tap off the excess easily, so everything gets messy everywhere because it tends to like linger. So that's my only thing. I don't think we need the brush to be this wide if it won't come out easily, because you waste product. Okay, if they can redo that, that would be awesome. They can re-engineer that process, because it's not practical, especially if you're a mom, you're rushing and you're trying to put things on. You're gonna have like things all over your clothing, you know, and everywhere. So that's the only thing. But otherwise, if you want to try lip oils, this one is the bomb diggity. Yeah. And now, speaking of lip products, I have two lip liners that I really like. I've been wanting to try. It's the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On waterproof extreme color lip liner tongue twister, baby, in the color Urban Cafe. Y'all, this is the business. I have that on actually today. It really gives you like that filtered, like, you know, Huda Beauty lip, you know, type of look. Like if you line your lips a little bit on the outside and makes it bigger, and then line it all over, it's actually good as a lipstick as well. And then you put your lipstick on like this, baby, all day, don't budge. Like I haven't reapplied nothing. Okay, nothing. This is the MAC matte liquid lipstick, so I haven't applied anything. And this is Urban Cafe right here. It's a beautiful color. Okay, really beautiful brown. Oh, love it. And this one is, you can only find this online at Ulta. It's the Revolution Satin Kiss lip liner. I think the color here is Thank God It's Friday. Nice brown right here, guys. Oh, they're just amazing. They give you that filtered, luscious, plumped lip filler, Huda Beauty like finish. Yeah, so these are the two, and I'm gonna swatch this Revolution Beauty one, or Makeup Revolution. Very nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna do the Urban Cafe by NYX on top. Very nice. Like they're almost the same. Like this seems to be a little bit more reddish, and that one seems to be more like a neutral. So it depends on what you're looking for, but they're both good. And how you doing? You can use it as lip liners as well, so they're versatile, and you can use them as eyeliners. So how you doing? Sticking with like makeup, I have tools, and you know, I heard beauty bloggers really liking these brushes, and I went and got the Morphe M441, which is more like this shape, okay, for blending your crease and, you know, your shadow in your crease. And this one is the M504, both for like really quick 1 to 2 shadow looks. This is all I've been using. Okay, pretty much use these unless I'm using like a shimmer shade. I only use these two. If I'm using a shimmer shade, then I will use 4 brushes. Okay, so that's how that goes. I will use my flat shader brush here to put the shimmer, probably these two to apply the, you know, the crease shades, these two, and then a tiny one to kind of blend in the crease detailing between the shimmer and the regular, you know, basic nude shadows. So yeah, so but on regular basis I only use 2. If I do a shimmer like this, I use 4 brushes. So hey, I actually might do a makeup tool brushes coming up that I really enjoy, so stay tuned for that video. Last but not least, I want to talk about boscia, and that also came in this trend mood box. It's the boscia plant stem cell and ceramide barrier defense moisturizer. I really like it. It's very hydrating, and I like it because it absorbs right into my skin. My skin doesn't look crazy, and it feels moisturized, healthy. I didn't break out. Again, with ceramides, I'm good. Okay, ceramides are always good. So ceramides, collagen, you know, those things are really good. They're hydrating, they're moisturizing. Those are kind of ingredients that I look for in products, in, you know, especially in moisturizers. So definitely something to try. You can even mix it with like your favorite oils. You can take a little bit, put some oil drops on it, and, you know, put it on your face. It depends on how you feel, but so far I like this. a slight scent, nothing crazy. The consistency is amazing, lightweight, you know, melts into your skin very fast, and you know, and does the job. So far I've only used it for about a week or so. Nothing innovative. Anything changes, I'll let you guys know. But if you wanted to try something new with ceramides, there you go. And that is it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, links down below, and be smart when you shop and use cash. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Any suggestions, feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to praise God. Ciao guys, bye, au revoir, merci encore beaucoup d'être resté jusqu'à la fin de la vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé. Comme d'habitude, toute suggestion sous la barre d'infos, et si vous avez des recommandations pour moi, bienvenue. Je vous écoute, je suis à l'écoute. Au cas contraire, on se voit à la prochaine. Merci encore et ciao, God bless. Bye. So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress. I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.